did I lose it? No, I lost it. I lost it. Good afternoon. Fishing fever took me and I just had to get out. So I came to Kruger's Drift Dam, but after this rains the dam level is very high. As you can see, I'm sitting here in the grass. I'm standing in the water here where I'm standing now. So I have to make the best of it. The weather is clearing up now. It looks like our next rain session will be next weekend. So I had to make use of this opportunity to come and fish. After so much rain that we had this past 10 days, fishing is usually a bit slower because of all the cold water that comes into the dam. You have to be very patient and to work on your strategy to get some action. I got this from a rat pack long ago. It was standard issue. Okay, for those of you who don't know, a rat pack is a ration pack, and in other parts of the world it is known as meals ready to eat. So this can opener came with one of those ration packs, and I always have it with me in my fishing box. One doesn't know when one might need it. Right, a banjo floaty with 1 millipip, and then on the millibomb I have FX slime. I decided to bring my two Conoflex 10-foot hollow fiberglass rods this afternoon and pair them with a two Magnum 101 center pin reels. I know it's a bit old school, but that was what I wanted to do this afternoon. Yep, it's on. Feels like a good one. Or did I lose it? No, I lost it. I lost it. No, I still have it. I still have it. It's here. Oh man. Oh man. It went around this grass. But we still have it. We still have it. There we go. This is a good fish. Feels like a catfish. No, it's a nice carp. This is a good fish in any guy's language. It's about 2 kilos, 2.5 kilos, and it gave a good fight. Looks like we're in for some action again. Seems like there's something at this rod. Pattern. Yep, got it. Got it. Oh, I haven't got my net with me. Let's go back. Get it. Back to the action. What do we have here? Another carp. Not too shabby. Hey Nige, kom nader na vader. Kom nader na vader. Feisty little fish. Oh. There we are. Another one for the record. About 1.5 kilos. Let's put it back. This was a good afternoon again. It shows that if you have the time to go, go. Otherwise you will regret it. What can I say about fishing with old technology? That Conoflex hollow fiberglass rods and the Magnum 101 center pins. It is a lot slower, but on the other hand, a reel run equals the adrenaline rush. The moment that reel starts and you hear it, then you cannot be anything else than excited. I caught 2 fish, and there was some action at the rod again, but I had to pack up because I have to leave within half an hour. The reserve closes at that time at 17:30, so unfortunately one cannot fish the most pleasant time of the day from now on up until dark. In summary, it's always better on the outside, better in the veld, next to water, doing something that you love, hearing nothing but flies, mosquitoes, ducks, geese, fish that jump, and the wind. That's good enough for me.